Welcome to Mathematics Untold. Today I will start chapter Ratio and Proportion, that is chapter number 5. Okay, today I will start exercise 5.2. 5.1 was finished by previous two lecture. Okay, if you not see previous two lecture, then go and see my previous two lecture. Okay, now I start exercise 5.2. Okay, I am going to start with question number 1. First question is find the value of x. 10 is to 35 proportion to x is to 42. Then find the value of x. Okay. In this type question, x may be in first position, second position, or third position, or fourth position, whatever its position. Okay. So how to find the value of x? It is very simple. You just write this number 10 by 35, and we know that proportion is nothing but just equal to. If you change to proportion, then you change into proportion in equal to sign. And write here x by 42. Now you cross multiply x into 35, that is 35x, is equal to 42 into 10, that is 420. Then x is equal to 420 by 35. Then you simplify. Here we can simplify by the table of 7. 7 5 is 35 and 7 6 is 42 and put 0. Again we can simplify by 5. 5 1 is 5 and 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. That is x is equal to 12. Okay. Here x is the 12 is the final answer. Okay. Now second question, same second question is given. Okay, I write here x is to 50, proportion to 3 is to 2, then find the value of x. It is 2 of 1, right? In question number 1, 2 sub question is given. Okay, I solved this question. This is also simple question. Again we can write here x by 50 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. X position may be vary. Okay, it is the first position, second, it may be first, it may be second, and it may be third, or it may be fourth. Okay, see here we can directly simplify, or you can cross multiply. Okay, I do by the cross multiply. Okay, 2 into x 2x is equal to 50 into 3 150, or you write 50 into 3. Okay, you just write 50 into 3. Now x is equal to 50 into 3 by 2. You can simplify by this. 2 1 is 2 and 2 is 4 and carry 1 10, 2 5 is 10. X is equal to 25 into 3. Therefore x is equal to 75. 75 is the final answer of this question. Okay, clear? Now I am going to solve question number 2. Question number 2 is that find the fourth proportion. Okay. In this question we have to find fourth proportion. Okay. 3 number is given and we have to find fourth proportion. What will I do? Nothing. We will use the proportion. Okay. Fourth proportion means last number. We can write this number like this. 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. Proportion 1 by 5 is to x. I don't know x. Then we put here x. I don't know what will be the fourth number. Then we put here x. Okay. Now we can simplify like previous question. Okay. Here we write 1 by 3 by 1 by 4 is equal to, proportion is equal to, and 1 by 5 by x. We can write here 4 is go to the numerator, then 4 by 3 is equal to x is the denominator, then 1 by, okay, you write here 1. Okay, that is 1 by x. Okay, then you simplify. Okay, C. Oh, sorry. Then you write here x by 1. Okay. Now you 1 go to the numerator, 1 into 1, then 1 by 5x. Okay. You just cross multiply 5 into 4, 20x is equal to 3 into 1 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 20. That is the fourth proportion. Okay, it is clear. Similarly, in second question, okay, second question is the homework, 9.6 question. Okay, write here homework for you. You do the homework. Question number 2 of 2. I will solve question number 3 because question number 2 is easy. It is the in number form. But question number 3 is the in variable form. So I will do in question number 3. Okay, wait. Okay, see question number 3. It is very important question. Find the fourth proportion. X square y is the first number, y square z is the second number, and z square x is the last number. Okay, or third number. A last number, I don't know last number. You can take x, but already x is given, so you don't take x. Okay, otherwise you take other variable than other than x, y, and z. Okay, so you take p. Let p is the fourth proportion, right? You can't take like this variable. If this variable is given, then you take other variable. Otherwise, you confuse in going to, if you going to solve the problem, then you confuse. Okay, so you change the variable. It is necessary to change the variable. Now, so I let the p is the fourth proportion. Now I am going to start the solve. How to solve the question? Our concept is same. X square y is to y square z proportion to z square x is to p. Okay, it is the basic concept. I want to go to the solving by basic concept. So your mistake is not big mistake. Okay, it is the small. Okay, or you can't mistake it. Okay, right. It can be written as x square y by y square z is equal to z square x by p. Okay, you can simplify here. Yes, cancel this here, or numerator to numerator. Here we see it is simplified. Okay, now in second line we can write this x. Here only x is remaining, so x we write here x, and denominator y or z is left. Now here z square is left remaining, and write here p. Then you cross multiply p into x. Okay, is equal to right here z cube into y z square into z is equal to z cube, and right here y. Therefore p is equal to z cube y by x. That is the fourth proportion. Because I let p is fourth proportion, then value of p is z cube y by x. So it is the fourth proportions. Okay. One more question. One more important question. Question number 4 of 2. Okay. Please copy it. I will solve question number 4. Okay. Find the fourth proportion of this number. First number is p minus q. Second number is p square minus q square. And third number is p square minus pq plus q square. Okay. We take the fourth number, that is the fourth proportion. So here variable is p and q. So we will take another variable. Another variable is x. Okay. It may be y. Okay. Not problem. You can take the value variable x. Now just start with previous method. You write here p minus q is to p square minus q square proportion to p square minus pq plus q square is to x. Okay, we have to find the value of x. Right here, p minus q by p square minus q square is equal to p square minus pq plus q square by x. Okay, it is simple. Now you see here, p minus q is nothing but p minus q, but here you see that p square minus q square can be simplified. Okay, it should be simplified. So I know that p square minus q square is nothing but p minus q into p plus q. It is the formula of a square minus b square. Now right here, p square minus pq plus q square by x. Simplify, you can simplify one factor p minus q to p minus q. Okay, now see here, you write here is nothing, 1. If you cancel any number, then there is the one factor left, that is the 1. Remember, not 0, not write here 0. If you cancel this factor, then here nothing number but 1 is left. Okay, so you write here 1 and then denominator p plus q is equal to here you write p square minus pq plus q square by x. Okay, it is visible? Yeah. Then you can cross multiply, x is equal to p plus q into p square minus pq plus q square. Okay, it is the fourth proportion, but it is not a simplest form. You have right to in this number in simplest form. That is the final answer. But if you left here, examiner will be give you number, but it is not a correct method. Okay, here you have to know what is, if you have to know what is the formula of this, otherwise you multiply this. But I know it is the formula of AQ plus PQ. Okay, you write here some formula. Okay, if you do not know, okay, then you write some formula. Okay, first formula is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then second formula is, it is the factor formula. Okay, most important formula, it is used in factorization. And second formula is aq minus b cube is for a minus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And third formula is aq plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus, here is the plus, minus ab plus b square. Okay, first formula is completed. Okay, you know, but second formula I don't know, you know or not. If you don't know, then you write in your copy. It is important. It will be used in class 9, used in class 9, and class 10 is also in ratio proportion. And if you go to the class 11, then if you don't know this formula, then you can't able to solve question. Okay, in question. Okay, integration, if you do integration, differentiation, then there is the use of this formula. Okay, see, aq minus bq is equal to, how to write, a minus b is the first factor written here, then you write here, then a square, here is the minus, then nothing is minus. Okay, everywhere is the plus sign is given. Okay, see here, a square plus ab plus b square. In second formula, you see here, third formula, you see aq plus b cube, then I write here only a plus b, then in second term only one minus sign is here, plus minus plus. Okay, minus is given here, but here is all number are plus. Okay, but here plus is given, then in second term only middle term is the minus sign. Okay, a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, question number 2 is finished. Okay, Now we are going to solve question number 3, right? That is the third proportion. Very important question. Students are confused what is the third proportion. Only two number is given, then they confuse how to find the third proportion. Okay, wait and see how to find the third proportion. And like my channel, share and subscribe to the friend. Share to the friend, like my channel, subscribe my channel, and share to the your friend. Okay. Now see question number 3. Okay, I am going to solve this question. This question is find the okay, find the third proportion, right? But only here two number is given and we have to find the third proportion. You do not confuse. Okay, remember one thing. Solve this question, but you remember. Okay, I will give you one concept. Concept to you. That is the continued proportion. What is the continued proportion? Remember. Continued proportion. Okay, if A, B, C are continued proportion. Okay, let three numbers are continued proportion. Then how to write this three number? Then A by B is equal to B by C. Okay. If you see A by B is equal to B by C, then you can say that are the continued proportion. Okay. In continued proportion, only B is the common, and here is the only three proportion. A is the first proportion, B is the second proportion, and C is the third proportion. Okay. If you not understand, then see by example. Okay. See. We take an example. Example is 6 is to. Okay. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Right? We can write that here. 1 by 2 is written as 2 by 4. Then we can say that 1, 2 and 4 are continued proportion. Okay. Three number are continued proportion. Okay, if and only if A by B is equal to B by C. Okay. If A, B, C are continued proportion, then that condition is necessary. A by B is equal to B by C. Or if A by B is equal to B by C, then we can say that A, B, C are continued proportion. There are the two conditions. If you see in any question A by B is equal to B by C, then you can directly say it is the continued proportion. If you written as anywhere A, B, C are continued proportion, then you write directly A by B is equal to B by C. Understood? Okay. Let me take time. Okay. Wait. I will explain. Okay. Here, if we write 6 by 8 is equal to 8 by 6 by 8 is equal to it is the 6 by 8 and then 8 by, okay, we take a small number, okay, not big number. 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 3 by 4 is equal to, okay, we take any number 4 by, but that is the equivalent. Okay, if it not equivalent, then it will be disturbed. Okay, so it may be equivalent. Okay, so we take a small number. Okay, 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8. Okay, it is the equivalent. So equivalent must be arises. If you see not in equivalent, then you left. Okay, it is the equivalent. That implies we can say that, therefore we can say that 2, 4 and 8 are continued proportion. Okay, right? Now in this question 2 number is given but third proportion is asked, then it is the problem of continued proportions. Then you write here, let third proportion is x and it is a continued proportion. Then you write 5 by 10 is equal to 10 by x. Okay. Third proportion is x and it is also a continued proportion. Okay. Then you write 5 by 10 is equal to 10 by x. Then you can cross multiply 5x is equal to 10 into 10 and x is equal to 10 into 10, 10 by 5. Okay. Then 5 to the 10, then x is equal to 20. Okay. X is equal to 20. Let us check it is continued proportion or not. 5 by 10 is equal to 10 by 20. First proportion is 5. First, okay, first by second and second by third. It is the ratio of first and second number. It is the ratio of second and third number, and both are the equivalent. So we can say that it is the continued proportions. Okay. Now we take one more example. That is the question number 4 of 3. Okay, it is a very important question. Okay, copy this question. In this question, we have to find the third proportion. Okay, how to find the third proportion? We take the third proportion and I know that it is the continued proportion. Okay, two concepts you know. It is the continued proportion. Then you can find the third proportion. Otherwise, you will be confused in this question. Okay, let third proportion be p, not take x. Okay, it is the third proportion be p. Now, then you use concept of continued proportion. Okay, then it is the first, it is the second, and it is the third number. Then write first ratio of first and second, that is x minus y to the power 2 whole to the power 2. Then x square minus y square whole to the power 2 is equal to x square minus y square whole to the power 2 by p. Okay, you directly write, we make a formula and we can write directly, but you use this concept. Okay, it is the board examination question, so you learn only concept. Okay, not short trick. If you go to the short trick, then you not find marks in examination. Okay, your number will be reduced. Okay, so you try to learn concept. P, acha, here you can simplify yourself. It is written as this, but it is written as x plus y to the power whole square and x minus y to the power whole square, because it is the whole square. If you remove this whole square, then it is the formula of x plus y and x minus y, but it is the power, here power is 2, so we give power 2 to the both number. Okay, now here you also write here x square minus y square. Okay, it is the same question. Okay, you write here x plus y into x minus y and put power 2 by p. Okay, then see here, it is cancelled out. Okay, it is the cancel out. Then you cross multiply, here 1 is remaining. Okay, now in next step, here 1 is remaining and denominator is this x plus y to the power 2 whole to the power 2. Then you write here by p. Now you cross multiply p into this x plus y to the power whole to the power 2 into x plus y to the power whole to the power 2 minus x minus y to the power whole to the power 2. Okay, see, then you write this number x plus y whole to the power 4 and x minus y whole to the power 2. That is the fourth proportion. Okay, that is the fourth proportion. Okay, okay. Today class is over. Okay, we will meet in the second class and start from question number 5. Okay, it is okay. Or you subscribe to my channel, like and share to your friend. Okay, thank you.